Now, there's another important update that we are getting for our viewers, and this is from Maharashtra. Viewers, while the nation is still in a state of shock because of what happened in Kolkata with a very, very young doctor, the way she was raped and murdered, now there has been an incident of violence in Mumbai Sion Hospital. And this happened early this morning. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Abhishek, who is joining us for more on this. Abhishek, what more details can you share with us? This is absolutely shocking.
Yes, definitely. At a time when the entire nation is protesting, doctors are on street, and IMA has called out for a nationwide protest. It's almost 1 week. They're telling that, safety and security is a major concern for us, and it is a right and it should be given. And at that point, at around 3:30 a.m. in Sion Hospital, around 5 to 6 intoxicated person who belongs from the patient's family have attacked a female resident doctor. She had, got certain injuries on her. And right now we are reporting where is the Sion police station. She is inside the hospital. She is registering her complaint. An institutional FIR is into process. She is giving the statement. This is the situation. The entire nation is protesting. Doctors are demanding security. We have been joined by her colleague, who have brought her over here, and the process is going on. Let's try and understand what exactly happened at that time.
At that time, the patient come at around 12 or something 1, and patient come with injuries like a deep wound on the face, for which the patient that wound was sutured, and after that patient was preferred for on-call ENT reference, and at around 3:30 a.m. he went for the on-call reference, and while examining the wound of that patient, there was female resident on-call, and while examining the wound, the patient and her relative and his relative, they started abusing her, and in between that they started assaulting her, and the female attendee of the patient, she took the blood-soaked cotton of that patient and started to apply on that on-call resident face, and which could have been also infectious. So that was really disgusting thing what that patient relative had done. And after that, in between that, they assaulted her, and our female resident doctor, she sustained injuries.
See, now definitely any of the doctors are expected to work at their hospital in safe and secured manner, but now she is subject to come here, register her complaint, with the process is going on. I mean, this is a situation, and you at every level since from past 1 week are demanding safety and security. What do you want to say?
This is the reason why we want Central Protection Act on stat basis. This is the thing that is happening all over India, but out of which very few cases are being noticed. Because of our protest, everyone is giving their the incidences that are happening. They are coming out because of this protest. They are coming out in more frequency. So we just want to have we just want basic needs, like we have basic demands like safety in every ward, safety in OPD, safety in hospitals, the CCTV footage.
Definitely. So definitely it's an important concern out here is that safety and security for the doctors is the paramount, and for which they are protesting. And this incident, which has come to light from the city of Mumbai, definitely raises concern that will it stop at certain point or not,
right,
or will it continue?
And this
is something that
incident that you are bringing to us from Sion Hospital clearly shows that assurances are not going to be enough. Strict action on the ground is the need of the hour, and this is what even the doctors are demanding, that perhaps a Central Protection Act is something that they need right now.